2020 video goes to Germany to dig up as much badass content as we can across the country. In this series, we speed across the Autobahn, go sightseeing in several spots across the country, visit several of the best builders and tuners in the region, stumble across a massive private European car collection, get down at the Race 1000 top speed half-mile event, fall in love with the Nürburgring, get an inside look at a GT3 race in Belgium, and much more. Let's get right to it.
It's my first time here.
Dann haben Sie Ihr Ziel erreicht.
Ah, hier. Porsche, GAD.
Nice. Oh shit. Is that a 6x6?
Yes.
We're definitely at the right place. Have you seen a 6x6 before?
No.
They're freaking cool.
And this one's all done up.
I know.
It's like $500,000 in stock.
They're not cheap, I know that.
Holy shit. Did you see that hella
Oh
clean
damn.
E36?
Yeah. Look at the seats.
So fancy.
That's awesome.
So,
Look at the bed.
we're gonna leave the Skoda here and we're gonna trade it.
Perfect.
You gonna trade it?
No,
Can we drive over it with this?
Yeah, like, to be fair, like, we're not gonna leave the Skoda here, we're gonna just put it on the back.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you for welcoming us and showing us around. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
I'll check it out. So Kevin, you're the shop manager, is that right?
Yes, I'm the workshop manager.
Okay. So take us around the shop and show me some of the cars you got here. And I know some of them are coming to Race 1000, so let's see which ones are you're gonna have racing the half mile this weekend. We got Sebastian here too. He's gonna help us out with specs on the cars. You got the Porsche to start with.
The Porsche is now one development car.
Okay.
We develop now one kit for the Porsche.
How much power are you hoping for this?
We want not reach so much horsepower, 900 horsepower.
Not so much, only 900.
Yeah, okay, if you see other companies with
Yeah, of
Porsche
course.
911,
course.
1100, 200, this is no problem for the cars. Need to be one daily car, also not so soundy.
Sure.
And, easy to install and drive without
So there's
problems.
more R&D. Tell me about the silver Benz over here. I heard a little bit about it. It looks like it's all factory from here.
Yeah, this is a little bit strange project from one customer, come one friend, and we built on this car, and now this is our small race project here. This was one normal C63 where we exchanged the engine and installed the 4MATIC system from the E63 with the biturbo. We changed on the engine the block and all the parts inside the engine.
So it's all forged stuff?
Yes, we forged this. The last measurement was 1,200 horsepower.
Wow.
Now with
that?
around about 1,400.
Holy cow.
A car can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 2.4 seconds. And last time in Magdeburg he showed 300. We hope.
That car has about 1,400 horsepower?
Yes.
Are you serious? It looks like it just has some new tires on it and that's
It
it.
looks like one German taxi.
Yeah. Wow. And then the SLS up here?
Yeah, the SLS is one very old project. Before 4 years we built one bi-turbo SLS. The customer take this to UAE. Customer is also one friend and used the car the last 3 years. But for Race 1000, also one great car with 1,200 horsepower.
Nice.
Reached also 300 last time. We will see on the weekend. Maybe we can.
How fast has that been in the half mile?
Also 300.
It has been, okay.
The two cars make exactly the same time.
Jeez.
297.
So they're just under, you want to get over that 300 mark this weekend. Let's go look at the light car. Oh yeah. Jeez. Yeah, they're not small. Oh wow. There's so much room in the engine bay.
Not more normal.
No.
M159. We built our air filters, intercoolers.
All in-house.
Exchange.
Like, I know this is different looking than a factory one, but I don't know because I haven't seen that many of these, but it looks factory. Like, you guys do a good job of keeping it looking nice.
to have one clean look.
Awesome. Very impressive shop. Some fast cars. We're looking forward to seeing you guys at Race 1000. It's gonna be a good weekend.
Yeah, I'm sure we will have fun
Oh, yeah.
and have a lot of concurrence. And
Definitely. Well, thank you for the tour. I appreciate it.
okay.
So weird. The turbos are speaking to me.
The little ghost whispering.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm here.
No, it's like.
Kick me.
No, it's like. Not like. Oh no, it's like. Get the f out of my way. Piss off, you.
Okay, so because I don't follow Mercedes that much, I had no idea that SLSs have never come with turbos on them. So I assumed that this was just like rebuilt factory stuff, but they did this all from scratch because these cars are naturally aspirated from the factory. So that's pretty mind-blowing. What all's been done to this?
Not so much right now. Car is here for building a cooling system, the exhaust system, software, and the gearbox.
Okay.
We have not finished this project now, but we think around about 850 horsepower.
What do these come with factory for power, do you know?
585.
Okay. That'll be a nice upgrade.
Yes, and car is very, very heavy,
Yeah.
but you can bring one burnout with all 6 tires.
Really?
On the street, yes. Right now.
Oh my god. That's awesome. I've only seen these in the Middle East before. Nowhere else really. Holy cow. Oh, shit. That's cool. That's awesome. Oh, jeez.
Oh, it looks so cool with the color.
You want drive?
Huh?
You want
Do I
drive?
want to drive it? Sure. Hop in. Oh man, carbon fiber everywhere. Beautiful. Sounds so good. Okay, that's one thing I hate about Mercedes is the stupid shifter. It doesn't make any sense. So we're pulling out a 940 horsepower SUV next to a 6x6.
Hashtag Germany.
No kidding. What modifications on this?
Everything.
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 Easy enough.
Yes. Nothing is stock. Cooling system, full engine, gearbox, and turbochargers.
Exhaust is loud.
Oh, yes.
Oh The full sound. There we go. It's funny because with everything closed, you don't hear any road noise. All you hear is the exhaust.
Oh, it's so wild. Oh, it sounds so good.
Holy shit. That's badass.
This is with ESP on.
Is that the launch control or traction control?
This was with launch control, yes. But with ESP on spot mode. Because if you turn off ESP complete, you nearly can't handle this car.
Just roasting the tires.
This is one of the best sounding cars I've ever heard.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not even kidding.
Sounds amazing.
What motor's in here?
4.4 liter.
Holy shit.
Oh yeah.
I'm like blown away by the handling.
Yeah,
the brakes and the handling.
amazing.
The power is one thing, but like, it does everything well. Do you think there's a faster GLC out there? This is pretty ridiculous.
If you find someone, bring it.
Yeah.
You can go to races.
There we go.
I like your attitude. Thank you.
Most of the Mercedes we have back home are just kind of like boring and don't really sound unique. This is
Taxi.
a whole different kind of car. Perfect. Thanks.
Very good.
Yeah. Jesus.
This is
That's crazy.
perfect.
That's a lot of power for an SUV.
It's a beautiful car and like beautiful build.
Instant power too. That was fun. The tunnels.
Yeah, like the sound is like.
Jesus.
Right.
That's what his face is like the whole time.
This is so cool.
Yeah. Oh.
Thanks for the ride.
Like
That was fun.
from one ear to
thank
the
you.
other. It's like, yeah.
You're welcome every time.
So you're gonna see them on
Badass.
Saturday, like with the car. It's like you're like,
Yeah, Benzes.
yeah, best guitar.
I feel stupid. Like I can't stop smiling.
He's like, I've never been this fast in the back seat.
Yeah.
That much
Normally
power.
when I feel that kind of power, or like out in Mexico and I'm in a coupe or something.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Guten Appetit.
So don't go to Mexico. Come to here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're saying goodbye to GAD and we're heading to DonkeyTec.
Yeah.
Frank can't get over his Lambo dash.
You guys gotta loan us one of these stations.
Mit Lambo. I'm really surprised, like even fuel level works.
Yeah, show him the other screen that has like 30 different.
That's for the VDM module. Lap timer.
First lap.
Yeah. Battery, like everything. Oh.
Damn.
And Lambo style. Wait a second. Great and good morning. We need entry.
This is the wrong shop, there's a Lambo. Oh, yeah.
Yes, and here we have an original VR6. 0 kilometers. Zero.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's so quiet.